Union Minister for Science and Technology Dr. Harshvardhan inaugurated the DBT Birak Clean Tech Demo Park at Barapulla drain site near Sundial Park, Sarai Kale Khan, New Delhi in a virtual event on Thursday, October 8. Clean Tech Demo Park at Barapulla drain site is an initiative taken under the Department of Biotechnology that will focus on demonstrating innovative ideas to value technologies. Union Minister said the novel indigenous technologies developed for the treatment of sewage and industrial wastewaters should be promoted and given wide publicity to ensure their commercialization and adoption for achieving Swachh Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat goals. According to the reports, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal, took part in the inaugural ceremony via video conferencing and praised the initiative by DBT, mentioning that land and water are crucial natural resources. He also promised to provide strong support from Delhi Development Authority to the new initiative to make sure that these precious resources are protected.
We have all grown up in Delhi and never ever anybody had thought about doing something for the Barapulla drain. And as a Delhiite, for me, it's a great amount of pleasure and privilege being the Science and Technology Minister of being able to do something for cleaning up the Barapulla drain and also using the adjoining areas and the land and developing a park there for demonstration of those technologies which are going to in fact inspire a lot of our young generation students and scientists and researchers and fellows who do a lot of research. So it's a great movement. On earlier occasions also, every time we went there, we found something worthwhile going on. And now I have been Science and Technology Minister for almost 6 years, and after having visited every laboratory in India belonging to the Science and Technology, Biotechnology, CSIR, I know that this one particular aspect of converting waste into wealth and all types of wealth, this is such an important area and such a worthwhile area which actually deserved the maximum attention from everybody.